nice and straight. So I took off this little regulator thing because it had a bunch of little white spots. Looks like it's aluminum oxidization or something. Pop that out and take a look. Wrench. Don't fit. I need a fucking skinny one. Shit. A little skinnier. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah. Ew. I think I put too much water through it. Yep. I'd say that's just about kerfuckulated. Chances of that ever operating smoothly ever again are probably zero. I mean, the little valve is moving, but clearly leaking. So I'm just gonna fucking bypass this. Where's this one? And these two, I gotta connect them together. Ooh, that's even more convenient. I can just run this hose right around into there. I can pop this off with one hand. Oh, two hands. Or I need a special tool. No, I can get it. Maybe not. Let's see if I can. Camera stand is not working very good. There. I'm sure everyone knows how to undo these. You just gotta push on it and pull on it. Oh, it's gonna go like that. That's good. Good enough. Your screwdriver. The master screwdriver. Until you hit it with a hammer and you break the end out, and then your bits fall out of the end of it. It's fucking stupid of me. Last time I took this apart, I lost half the screws, so it's gonna only get half the screws. Oh, yeah, now there's a gaping hole where I took this regulator out of. Not using that no more. camera down again for this. It's bigger. Whoops, that's all almost broke. Alright, let's hook up the air and see if we fix it. Oh, it's not leaking no more. That's a good sign. Now I just need to plug it in and see. Fucking giant mess. Yeah. Don't touch those when you're plugging them in. It hurts. That sounds good. Set up a little test gun. Don't fucking fall off of there. Oh, hang on a second. With an amperage set at 0, turn that all the way up. Okay. Whoa. It was working pretty good.